Hello friends, this is chapter 2, topic name is Fun with Numbers, part 6 and it is from class 3 mathematics NCERT book. It is continuation of chapter 2 from previous video. If you haven't seen those videos already, links are given in the description. Please go through them as well. Let's continue with this video. So this is the picture which is taken from NCERT book and credit goes to NCERT team. But I have to take this picture to explain this story and this topic pretty well to our students. So let's see what is the story. Here I am Chanda Mama. So here is Chanda Mama. He is telling his story. I have so many friends which twinkles in the sky. He's saying he has so many friends. So these are his friends. Yes, you're right. My friends are stars. Children, his friends are stars. One day, all of them came to my home. So it is his home, Chanda Mama's home, and these stars came to his home. I started counting to see how many friends had come. When there are many friends, so when stars start coming to his home, Moon Mama start counting. But my friends were too many. He's saying his friends are too many. So to remember their numbers, I did something like this. Hello everybody. So Moon Mama counts his starry friends. I counted one star and kept one card in my pocket. So what does this line means? When he count this one star, he kept this one label card in his pocket. For 2 stars, he kept one card in his pocket. For 5 stars, he kept 5 one label cards in his pocket. So if he check his pocket and if he found 5 cards, he can say he met his 5 friends. But there were too many friends, right? Too many stars. So they keep coming. So they kept coming. Then what he did, when he got one label card number in 10. So when he got this type of 10 cards, and he replaced all these 1 cards with single 10 card. Why? It is hard to keeping 1 card into his pockets. So when it becomes 10 friends, he replaced this single 1 label card with 10. So now if he had 10 label card, it means he met his 10 of his friends. But my friends kept coming, so I had to count more stars. My pocket were getting full. So when I had 10 cards like this, I changed it with 100 card. But after replacing 10 cards, still he got lot of friends coming in. So what he did, he replaced this 10 label card with 100 when he got 10 such cards. So there are 10 cards. When he got his 10 cards, he replaced it with 100 card. What does it mean? If he has 100 card, it means he met his 100 friends. That's how he started counting. So let's solve these questions. So what is the question? Which card will I have in my pocket if I have counted up to 19, 21, 95, 201? So we have to answer all these questions. That how many cards of 10, ones and hundreds will a person will have. Okay. Now here is our Moon Mama is asking the question, if he met with 19 friends, how many card of 10 and ones will have? We can look in this way. We can check what numbers are there at ones place, what numbers are there at tens place, or what numbers are there at hundreds place. That's how we can figure out the number of cards. So if you look at this 9, this is at ones place, this is at tens place. So 9 at ones place means it will have 9 1 cards. 1 is at tens place, it means 1 10 label card. So these are the 9 1 cards and 1 10 cards. That's how we can write this. 21, it means 1 is at ones place. So Moon Mama will have 1 label card 1 and 2 is at 10 place. So 2 cards of 10, he will have 2 cards of 10. So that's how you can keep like this. So 1 label card, 2 10 label cards. Again 5 is at 1's place, so again 5, 1 label card. 9 is at 10's place, so 9, 10 cards. So 10 cards of 9 cards of 10, 5 cards of 1. So these are the 5 cards of 1, 9 cards of 10. Here it is 1 is at 1's place, so 1 card of 1. 2 is at 100's place, 2 card of 100. No card at 10's place. 260, so 1's place, no card of 1's. 10 cards should be 6 because it has 6 10s and 2 100s. 200 means 2 card of 100 and 6 card of 10s. 2 card of 100, 6 cards of 10s. 300s, it is very easy, 300 cards. 306, 6 card of 1s, 3 cards of 100s, and there is no card at 10's place, so no card of 10. 344, 4 is at 1's place, 4 is at 10's place, 3 is at 100's place. 3 card of 100, 4 cards of 10s and 4 cards of 1s. 350, so here no at 1's place, 5 cards of 10's place, so 5 cards of 10, 3 cards of 100. This is 400, it is very simple, 4 cards of 100s. So that's how we will solve these questions. Here is the next question. When I had 10 cards in my pocket, so if I have 2 10 cards, it will become 20. I knew I had counted 20 stars. So 1 10, 2 10s. So 2 10s will give 20. Now you tell me the number of stars counted in each case. Write the answer in blank space. Now we have to count the total number of friends, total number of count here. So look at this number. There are 2 10s, so it will become 20, and 6 1s. 2 10s plus 6 1s, it will become 26. 2 10s and 6 1s, 26. 3 100s and 1 10, it will give 310. 100 and 3 10s, so it will give 130. These are the 400s, so simple, 400. Here if you look at, we have 300s, 1 10s and 6 1s, so 316. Then it will become 600 cards, 600 cards and 3 1 label card. 1 2 3 3 1 label cards, 3 1s, 600s, 603. Here we have 400 card, 3 10s card and 1 label card, so it will become 431. If you count 100 cards, it will give us 1000. So that's how you can count. That's it for this video. So this complete our chapter 2, and in next video we'll come up with next chapter. So hope you have enjoyed my videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends so we all can learn together. Bye everyone and take care.